Release Txhawb! Release Txhawb! Release Txhawb! Release Txhawb! Release Txhawb! World War III is coming! All the bad guys will die! Only the innocent people will survive! God only send the innocent people! All the bad guys! All the traitors! God will punish all of them! After World War III, million people will die. Only the innocent people will survive. Release Txhawb. Release Txhawb. Release Txhawb. If you hate the God, you have to release Txhawb. If you believe in God, release Txhawb. If you believe in Jesus, believe the God from the sky. Release Txhawb! Release Txhawb! We all believe in God! Release Txhawb! He is innocent! He is a good leader! He is a good leader! Release Txhawb! Release Txhawb! Release Txhawb! Release Txhawb! Release Txhawb! Release Txhawb! Free 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 Txhawb!
Hai nó thế, nó là tôi đã chơi, nó một tao cả thiên sư nhá, để nó nâng thể đó, nâng thể đó, nâng giống cái nâng thể đó là, cháu này thể đó bé nó tất cả, cháu này xuyên, cháu tôi của đủ, dạy hai rồi, cháu nó bé nó tất cả, cháu này nó, nhẹ.
If you feel the traitor, God will punish you.
Dạy hai,
God only
cho
feel
nó mà
the innocent
biết
people.
sắp lời,
If you feel the traitor,
mình xuyên rồi,
God will punish you.
lũ hải, chết
You
chết
will
của hải,
die.
tụi nó là biết
If you want to
chết cho hải
survive,
đó, tụi này dạy hải, tao bên của hải,
you have to
tụi
become
chết để
innocent.
sẵn, tao nhé tụi lũ hải, cho nó bên chú
Be
chấp
an
lời,
innocent people.
sắp, nhau bên lúc này
Be
mong
justice.
lũ hải nó
Release Txhawb.
cho nó
Only the God will know who is right, who is wrong. You don't have to do it. Only the God knows. God will punish you. If you have a trouble, God will punish you. If you have a trouble, you will not survive. God will coming. God will say only innocent people. The bad guy, the traitor, all will die. After World War III, million people will die. God will say only innocent people. If you want to survive, be innocent people. We need justice. We need justice. Free Txhawb. He is a good leader. He is a good leader. We will see judgment that is coming. Jesus said that judgment is coming. World War III is coming. Only innocent people will survive. All the people that helping the traitor will die. Only innocent will survive. You had to release Txhawb. You must release Txhawb. He is a good leader. He will save our life. Release Txhawb. If you don't release Txhawb, if you help in the traitor, God will punish all of you. Free Txhawb! Free Txhawb! Free Txhawb!
nó sợ rồi bây giờ này được gì ta đã trồng chủ tế chơi nhau không nó giờ lúc xưa chỉ chỉnh chính cái cầu biết tao được khá là mù nó ít khó chỉ chỉnh chính này để nó của thầy ở bên là luôn nó trồng cho số luôn tu đầu bên nè chỉ vô thành tu nè bay yên chỉ bay yên bên nè chỉ là mong nên có nô tới chính đầu ly tụ cả mình đôi hồ là đầu bên hai nên mong nó bên trồng nè chỉ mong bên to khơi nó sợ cả ta nhớ đồ lúc xả tiền nó giờ bên xả tua tàu cho kiến dân gì hai tiền thọ còn đi chờ tụi này đâu hú em ngó tụi này xếp thầy tụi hai chơi một trò khó chơi trốn tụi kia trốn đi cho biết tụi này đâu hú xử lý cho bên này bên sĩ kinh thực sinh tụi này một lúc xếp đâu chơi rong ở giờ là trả bên hai ninh có bên một lúc ninh thà lộ qua thọ này chỉ có thành tu nó biết cho lục biết tôi cứ chậmก่อนthọ cần nhiều thiết gì nó biết cho lù nó nên chỉ bảo mong nó biết cho lù mua biết cho lù nó cho là dù kia bộ bộ phim chơi có bên mong sơ to đó đã lù bùa bên mong hai lù có mua chính gì biết cho là lù còn xem từ thông là lù khán tu nó rồi nó có bên hai này muốn chỉ cho trong tụi này sơ tao là này nhau là khán tu nó nè mà như này nó đợt nó cũng thong qua hồ ý là lù đó trong xứ America ở giờ này tôi chủ tịch chờ tôi ở cha bên hai này mong tôi chờ bên hai này mong vì do bên mong tôi muốn chính trị đâu trong xứ America là tông xét chồng giờ này nó bên trái đã chỉ bên chuột thọ bên luôn này bên chuột thọ sa phừ có bên mong cho xe nó luôn này nhau bên mong đại lục qua giờ mình bên tây nhau khán tu nào nè okay this is my word to the courthouse of United States of America and to the local government that you are the one who provide the love, the equality to all humankind in this region. Our Hmong people are here today because we are here to ask for our rights and also to release Mr. Xyooj. Mr. Xyooj is a good man. He's a man who had the value for our Hmong people and also for the United States of America. And we will be brother, sister. We will be one in this world and we'll help each other. So please take our Hmong people's word for today we are standing here because we are here to ask for our equality, to ask for our right. So we ask the authority, the judge, the people who have the equality and do the job for all the humankind. Please look at this carefully, reverse the law, and please protect Mr. Xyooj. Mr. Xyooj is a person who has value for our people, for all humankind. He is a gentleman and he loves everybody. He do things under the law and he knows what is right and wrong for all humankind. So please, hear our word for today. We are here. We need you. We need everybody in this region, in this country. We need everybody come together and we solve this problem together. And please help us. Mr. Xyooj is the good man. That's why we stand in this floor. We stand in front of you. We ask for many things, no more than anything, but we ask for Mr. Xyooj. Please free Mr. Xyooj. Free Mr. Xyooj. We are here. We ask you. We beg you. So please free Mr. Xyooj, and we will remember the work that you have done for our Hmong people. And we remember you. We trust you. That's why we are here today. We are one together with you, and we help this country. We back at this country. We support this country. But we need our right. So please hear our word today, And we stand here, we only ask for the law and the equal right, the equality from all humankind. That we can stay together and we can make this country safe, we can make this country peace again. So please say our Hmong people, we are here today. We don't ask more than what we are here, but we ask for your help and your understanding for the Hmong people, for the value of the world, for the value of all humankind, the equality of all humankind. And I'm here only what we ask for, okay? Please release Mr. Xiong. That's the only thing we ask for. Mr. Xiong is a good man. He didn't do anything wrong. He is a good man. He loved the people. He tried to save the 50 million people around the world. Because we have died, we have suffered, we have tortured, we have punished from many countries around the world. Today, only United States of America is our father, mother, and that's what we ask for your help. And please provide the equality for all the humankind and the people that we are standing today in front of you. Thank you, thank you. God will bless you. If you help us, God bless you. Bless America, bless every one of us. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Release sanctions. Release sanctions today. We need justice. Release sanctions today. Release sanctions today. We need justice. We need justice. Free sanctions today. Free sanctions today. Free sanctions today. Sanctions are good men. Sanctions are good leader. Sanctions are good people in the world. Sanctions will help all people in the world's life. Sanctions are good men. Sanctions love everybody. Sanctions will do good things for all the people in the world to have a good life. Sanctions are good men. Sanctions are good leader. Free sanction. Please, free sanction. Please, free sanction. We need justice. We need justice. We need justice. Free sanction. Free sanction. Free sanction. Free sanction. Sanctions a good leader. Sanctions a good leader. Sanctions a good man. Sanctions a good man. Sanction is a good leader. Free sanction. Free sanction. Sanction do nothing wrong. Sanction do nothing wrong. Sanction is a good man. Sanction is a good leader. Sanction do everything right. Sanction is a good man. Please, free sanction. Please, free sanction. Free sanction. Free sanction. We need justice. All the money we give to sanction, Stephen want to take it. Someone want to have that. Stephen want really poor. He's against